shit. Shit.
Marination can be from 1 to 3 hours, the longer the better. Put the wings one by one and make sure they are not over each other, they are not touching each other, or they are not stacking on each other. Now fry them in the air fryer for 5 minutes and then flip them over to the other side. After flipping, put them back in the air fryer so they can be fully cooked on the other side too. And now we're done. I hope you liked the recipe. Bye.